Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Fala and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family. And Alexia, thank you so much, my return supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited. You guys know that we are in a holiday season, holiday spirit, and I'm gonna share with you guys a little haul that I got from AliExpress. AliExpress is having huge Black Friday deals. They have deals up to 80% off, and I'm gonna have the link right here where you can click and go straight to the discount code where you can get up to 80% off. You can get free shipping and more. So let's dig into this video. I'm super excited to share with you guys a couple of things that I got different things from different area of the site, but they have thousands of product up to 80% off and free shipping. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is going to be this cute little brush and sponge set. You guys know when we do makeup, you cannot have enough sponge, brushes. And I'm gonna put a little video on the side here with the product page for you guys. Look how cute this is, this pink eyelash curler. Love it. And in this set, I also get sponge. Look how cute it is, sponge. And they also come this little like a powder puff in hot shape. I'm so obsessed with them. And this brush set, let's open. These brush are super soft. You're gonna love them if you get it. They are super fluffy. Fluffy they are. So this set you get 13 brushes, a sponge set, other little puff set, and the eyelash curler. If you want to try these products, don't forget to click on the link below. And don't miss out on Black Friday sales and the 80% off. Love it. You guys know we can never have enough lashes. You know, I'm obsessed with the DIY lash kit. So I got this lash kit here. They have so many different size lashes, and this kit is complete. Comes with your bond, seal, lash remover, and applicator. Love it. Very nice. These are natural, soft, easy to use, stable curl lasting lashes from Eason. I love these. I am obsessed with these lashes. I use them all the time. Must have on my shopping haul. Next thing that we got on this haul is going to be this kit here. So this little kit is full perfect if you like to, you know, do your nails at home. Sometimes you have this little thing here for separate your tools when you polish your nails. You have some of these acrylic brush and this cutter removal acrylic set. These nice nail files. Love it. You also get this little finger here for you to practice. This is so cute. This is awesome. Like if you're learning how to do acrylic and you don't want to venture doing it yourself, you have this little finger here that you can build a nail on. I'm so excited to get this done. You get some little stick, and you got plenty of nails. You get clear nails and the regular color nails in different sizes. That's going to be very useful. You got 100 nails in each one of those, and then you have 3 different acrylic powder. You got a pink one, a white one, and a clear one. Perfect. Got the little cup for you put your solution. I am obsessed with this kit. It comes like everything that you need. Nail glue, the little solution that you mix the acrylic. You got this little bottle here where you can put your nail polish remover on, and this the pine. And the small but cute is the one that you press and comes up. You also get some little accessory for the nails that's super cute. You have like smiley face, little stars. Got this like the nails shape that you use for create with acrylic. Then you get some glitter here for you create a different nail style. This is super exciting. You also get this little 2 little container so you put stuff in it, probably your powder, little brush for you to wash your nails after you're done. And I think that's all for this nail kit, and I got these for you guys have no idea how super affordable. All right, so let's go to our next product. So next product here we have this pillow. This is an orthopedic pillow, And I'm so obsessed with this kind of pillow lately. I've been using them, and believe it or not, they do so much difference on your neck, on your back. I used to have neck pain, back pain, and I started using orthopedic pillow, and that helped me a lot. So if you're looking for orthopedic pillow, I definitely recommend you to grab yours. Look at this. This is cloud soft, super nice, so soft, so nice. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice pillow, definitely go get this one. You're gonna have endless night of sleep with no back or neck pain. I really love this pillow, and this pillow has this shape here that help you accommodate your arms as you sleep. Love it. Absolutely obsessed with this pillow. No matter what position you sleep with, this is definitely the way to go. I love it. Super soft, super nice. Look at this. So you have no idea how affordable this was on AliExpress. I'm gonna have them right in the description of these videos if you guys wanna try it out. Last, this neck massager, shoulder, neck and waist, back and leg massager. So it's like a massager. Sorry, the box was open, but it's like a massager that you can use in different parts of your body. That's what she look like, and she come with a UBS cable that you can plug her in and charge her. Girl, look at this. So you can put this like many different parts of your body, and then here you choose the kind of massage that you want. So oh, this is amazing. Oh, alright, I'm ready for sleep now. This is super comfortable. I absolutely love this. Since I got this been my like obsession. I've been using the whole time. And this you don't only have to use for your neck. You can use for your arm, for your legs, for your waist, for your back. It's definitely a great thing to have. I absolutely love this. You let me know down in the comments below if you have a pain on your body. Girl, I have pain everywhere. I think it's old age. And this has been so helpful. I am absolutely love this. And you guys have no idea how affordable this was on AliExpress. So now don't forget the Black Friday deals, 80% off. Go grab yours. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. I'm super excited for the Black Friday sales on AliExpress, up to 80% off, free shipping, what, thousands of discount. Don't forget to click on the link here and get yours. I love you. I'll see you next video. Bye.